Hello, in this video I will show you the general settings for affiliate registration options. Go to the Affiliate Press settings page. This is the Affiliate Press general settings page. The first option is Allow Affiliate Registration. Enable this option to allow users to register as affiliates on your website. Now go to the front-end Affiliate Press sign-up page. Enter all the required information. After that, click the Create Account button. The affiliate user has been successfully registered and redirected to the affiliate panel. Now go to the admin dashboard. Here you can see the Auto Approve and Activate New User Registration option is enabled, which means new affiliate users are automatically approved. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the Affiliates page where you can see all registered affiliate records. As you can see, the first record has been added and the affiliate status is approved. Now go back to the Settings page. Disable both options and click the Save button to apply the changes. Go to the front end, log out the existing user, and open the Sign Up page. Enter the required information again and click the Create Account button. You can see the new affiliate user was not registered because the affiliate registration option is disabled. Now go back to the admin dashboard, enable the option, and save the changes. Go to the front-end side and again click to Create Account button. You can see the new affiliate user has been registered. Now go to the Admin Affiliates page. You can see the new user has been added, but the status is pending because the Auto Approve and Activate New User Registration option is disabled. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.